a very important thing, and that's our baby care basics. So first of all, as you can see, this is our pretty big newborn baby. But the way you hold a baby, I first make sure that I am supporting the head and the back over here with the palm of my hand. And then you see, it's pretty easy to move our baby. So today we're actually gonna move our baby because we are changing the diaper. I know a lot of moms, they get kind of nervous, daddies too, about the first diaper, but don't worry, it's not too bad once you get the hang of it. So the first thing, it's actually harder for this one because this is a mannequin. So the first thing I always do is I put a new diaper underneath the old one. This is very important because especially boys, as soon as you open the diaper, they go wing, and then it comes right out. So I'm going to use the new one underneath here. I'm going to open up. The flaps are always on the top. They're not on the bottom. So our flaps go on the front. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the diaper, the old diaper, to clean a little bit first. If you have a girl, this is important. You have to wipe front to back, okay? If you do the back to the front, you can cause infections because you don't want any of the fecal matter to enter into the vaginal area, okay? So we have front to back. If you have a boy, you want to also make sure that you are cleaning underneath the testicle as well. So we have our wipes. We're just going to pretend that we have a wipe here. So we're cleaning front to back, and our boys were cleaning underneath the testicle area. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my diaper, I'm going to fold it, and I'm going to close it with the flaps. Then I'm just going to close my diaper here. For boys, this is important, and I didn't realize this until it was very late, probably a few months into my first baby. I didn't realize, but you have to make sure the penis is facing down. If it's facing up and the baby pees, the baby's just gonna pee right into his face. So I always point the penis down, and then you close the diaper. Flaps are always on the front, okay? They're not on the back. Sometimes I don't even realize how people do the flaps on the back anyways, because it's harder. But anyways, if your baby still has an umbilical cord, you want to make sure that the cord is on the outside of the diaper, because if the cord is on the inside and the baby pees, the cord can get infected as well from having all of that material over it. So we have our diaper change here. Now here's something very important. A lot of times when babies are pooping or they're going through a diaper change and they're very nervous, they do spit up, especially for newborns. Number one, don't get anxious, don't get nervous. You have to pull yourself together. You can do this. What you do is you can put the baby over here like this, support the baby's chin, and you can pat the baby's back, just like this. It doesn't have to be too much, but you want to make sure that it's not just a gentle little nudge, but you want to pat the back. The next thing you want to do, most hospitals have a bulb syringe. Sometimes it's blue, sometimes it's pink, whatever it is, but we have this syringe to suction. You want to push it away from you, away from the baby, put it in the baby's mouth, in the corner of the mouth, you suction it out, and you can put it to the side like this. Do the same thing, in the corner of the mouth, suction the fluid out. Corner of the mouth, suction the fluid out. After you're done with the mouth, then you can go to the nose if needed. But here's a very big thing. You don't have to suction the nose all the time, only if there's fluid coming out. If you keep suctioning the nose and suctioning the nose, you're gonna end up inflaming the nose, you're gonna have a lot of congestion. So only if needed, but mouth always first, then the nose. If you do the nose first, the baby can actually choke, so that's why it's very important. So thank you so much for watching. We talked about diaper changes, and we even talked about what to do if your baby is choking. I hope you have a wonderful day, and please follow me on mommydidyouknow.com for even more important information about how to take care of you as well as the baby.